Hi, and welcome to part 2 of the Circo App walkthrough. In this video, we'll show you how to design a unique and stunning digital business card that truly represents you. If you haven't already, make sure to first watch the part 1 on how to set up your digital business card. Now let's get started. First, let's click Edit to open the link management page. Then click Edit again and open the setting page. There, click Design Profile to open up the designer. The first thing you will see is some pre-designed templates that's readily available. We previously used it in part 1 of the tutorial, so you should already be pretty familiar with it. Just in case you missed it, I will go ahead and show you again how it works. Simply click on the template you like and click Apply. Then your profile should automatically follow the template and refresh to the new design. Every single part of your digital card is customizable, so you can always use the template as a starting point. And from there, you can further design each part of your digital card. Now let's further customize the digital card. Head back to the designer, and there you probably notice the tabs on top, each for customizing a different part of your profile. Start with the General tab to set the profile font, app icon color, and hide your logo display. Here as an example, we will open up the color wheel and set the app icon color to be dark gray. Next, let's head over to the layout part. This section lets you select the layout to your digital card and customize card background color. Again, for demonstration purposes, let's set the background color also to gray and change the profile into portrait mode. After selecting a background color, you'll find the option whitened profile text down below. Toggling this on will turn the text on your profile white to make everything legible on a dark background. Now let's move on to the next tab. The Highlight Box tab allows you to customize the design to all highlighted links. It comes with a live preview and shows your current design against your background color and helps you directly see how it looks. The box has 3 display styles: outlined box, color-filled box, and half-transparent box with background blur. Simply choose the style you like, set color to the box and text, and scroll up to check out the effect on your profile. For the next 2 tabs, Save Contact and Web Bar Link, the page follows the same format as Highlight Box design. Repeat the previous steps and customize each 2. Don't forget to always check the live preview after finishing designing. Now let's go back to our profile. And now as you can see, all the parts have followed my previous design. By using the designer, you can create a unique profile that's exclusive to you and your branding. And that wraps up our profile design tutorial. Now it's time to use your creativity and create a digital business card that's uniquely yours and perfectly aligns with your brand. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our app function walkthrough tutorial to make the most out of the Circo app. See you in the next tutorial.